So my next requirement would be like, I want to fetch out the records where customer name do not have any order number and the status. I mean, I want to know which customer number is not having a order number. Just think on how to do that. Okay. To give the detail about the task, to find the customer who have no order. Yeah, so to find the customers who have no order, so let me copy the same query here, same code, and just in this I need to use a where clause. I need to put a condition where your order number is null. That's it, is null. Let me execute this all. So you can see these customers and these order customer numbers do not have the order number and the status.